I'm gonna be doing a lot more things in the house. I have to go to work, but whatever, I can work around that. We went to Taqueria El Cazador and got some tacos and some sopes. And this one wishes she can have some, but she can't. I've wrapped some presents here, so there's a lot more to go. This box is full to give away. These two things full of stuff to give away. All the Thanksgiving decorations are in here. All this needs to be put away. Eli's suitcase needs to be unpacked. I'm going to sit down and watch TV and eat. So in that box right down there is my Christmas tree. In that box, but I have so much stuff that I'm going to give away. These are clothes to donate. I have all this stuff to donate. Oh, no, not that. That's my tree. This is Thanksgiving. I'm going to have this box to donate. I have, I think, another box out there to donate. I'm just trying to start the new year with a clean space. Like, that's why I said there was a change of plans. We say hi to the little choo-choo. Nana, say hi to the camera. You're so precious. And this is the reality. This closet is full. Sorry, the lighting sucks, but this closet is literally full of book bags and blankets and purses and all kinds of things. Like, I have like some extra book bags up there, instruments, I have a flute, a trumpet, just all kinds of things. Call me crazy, but I'm working on this closet. This is so embarrassing. This is all hair products, dog products, just a bunch of crap that needs to be sorted out. Like, look at this. It's just a mess, and I don't want it anymore. So, yeah, these are the things you don't see. I'm going to tackle this closet. This is probably going to be what my Vlogmas looks like for a little bit. Me organizing and cleaning little bits and pieces at a time. Alright, a quick update. This is not getting done today. I'm tired. I want to take a shower and I want to go to sleep. It's just the reality. I cleared this shelf. That's what I was doing over there, and just a little bit of the other parts, but it's just too much to do right now. I'm tired. I'm going to go to sleep, and we'll keep tackling this tomorrow when I get off of work. So, wish me luck.